Hi everyone, how you doing? Hope you're all having a great week. Another share with you today. I have a haul to share with you, only a small one, picked up from the range, and I think some from Home Bargains, some bits. But and also at the end, I'm gonna do my little man's gonna share. He's only 4, and he's started getting into crafts with me and stuff, and he's always sort of coming in, can we do crafts together and that. So we picked this project to do for his cousins and that, and I think he's going to make some for his teachers as well for Christmas. So here being the kind of second part of this video, I'll put this, I'll kind of add it to the end of this video. So yeah, I'm going to share the haul first. So like I said, range and Home Bargains. In Home Bargains, I think I only got these 2 things. Some lip balms. I've not seen these ones before. Lip smackers. Yeah, I've not, I think they were 1 something, I want to say. Apparently you can stack them on each other. This one's, I think, Tinkerbell. It says Pixie Peach Pie flavour. I just thought these were quite good for stocking fillers and things, or sometimes we do the elf on the shelf, so sometimes if they've been really good, the elves leave something in the morning for them and stuff. They have like a reward chart. So yeah, obviously my daughter's getting a bit old. Obviously she knows Santa's not real. She's 13 now, so she kind of plays along still for the younger one because he's only 4. But I still get little bits and bobs for her, even though, you know, she doesn't believe in it anymore, which is so sad. I think it's so horrible when they stop believing. But yeah, anyway, so or I might put these in her like stocking things. So yeah, this is like peach pie flavour. I just thought that was really cute. Tinkerbell one, and then this one, I think we have had this make before, Dr. Paw. But this one's slightly different. So this one you can use on your lips, it says your cheeks, and for cosmetic finishing. So yeah, it's supposed to hydrate your skin and stuff and your lips, moisturize. So I thought I'd give that a go. And they were, like I said, £1 something each. So picked up those 2 things from Home Bargains. And then oh, and this one, sorry, they've got all new Christmas planners. I picked up one at the start of, I think, October was it, for next year, but then I saw this one, and like I said, they're only like 60-70p, something like that. So it's just exactly the same inside, it's just got a different cover. And I picked up another one. I think they're quite nice to give out to, like I said, the kids give out things to the teachers, so if you're going to do it sort of the start of December, it's quite nice to give that out. Or they can put it away for the following year if you give it sort of at just before they break up. So yeah, so that's those. And then next few bits is from the range. So I picked these up for my little man. Like I said, he's started to do little crafts and things with us. I thought these were quite a nice activity leading up to Christmas. It's colour your own foam ornaments. So he can hang these. He has the kids have a tree upstairs in their room, so you could hang these on his tree, or you can give these out. I mean, you could make these into gift tags as well if you didn't want them as Christmas ornaments. You get 6 in a pack, and I think they were about, just see if I can find my receipt. Gift tags, it's foam, they're £1. And it comes with the colouring pens in there and some string as well. So I thought that was quite good. Next thing for him as an activity is these gift tags. And I think he's going to attach these ones onto, these are made out of card, onto the projects that he's made that we're going to show at the end. Yeah, so he's got these. You get 15 in a pack. And again, these were £1 in the range. You get ones, you get these Santa sleigh ones, you get these ones that say Merry Christmas, and then you get these presents ones. And if I thought as well, if he doesn't want to use them like as tags, if you don't want to pop out the little hole there, he could put these on some Christmas cards, handmade Christmas cards. If he colours these in and things, he can use that as an embellishment on a Christmas card or something for his friends at school and that. So we've got those. So that's those two. Then got this for him. We always get one of these packs. I tend to try and get these at the end of the year, just because they're reduced to like 10p sometimes. Which I did do last year, but I cannot find it. I've looked and I just can't find it anywhere. So I'll most probably find that again for next year. But it's a Santa's letter pack. You get some stickers in it, a pencil, envelope, and then you get this like letter you can write to Santa. Yeah, and then you put who it's from, and then you can sort of you can write his like wish list on there if he wants to. I think you get a couple in there, so you got that, and that was, just looking on my receipt, letter to Santa, that was 99p. And then got him this. I thought this would be a really cute activity to do with him. You get these like sun catchers. You get a Santa, Snowman, an elf, and a penguin. And then you also get the paints, and then you get, I think it's like a paintbrush in there. Yeah, to apply the paint. I just thought they were really cute. Again, these could be used as tags, or just like little ornaments on the tree and things. I just thought, again, another activity for him to do leading up to Christmas. And this was I think this was £1 as well. Yeah, that was £1. So that's that one. Then the last few bits, I got this bag. I thought this was really good. I got the smaller one, but it's still quite nice size. So it's in that kind of dupe material, and then it's got a clear front at the front, so you can see what's inside it. And then it comes with this like wooden tag. It comes with a nice wooden button on the front, and then this kind of goes over and closes it. But it's still, like I said, it's still quite big inside. They did have bigger sizes. For this one, it was £1.69, and then I think for the bigger one, it was like £1.99. But I just thought this was so good. I'm actually going to go back and get some more, because I thought, well, if you take off the star, you could use these for other things. So like, obviously after Christmas you've got Valentine's. You could spruce it up and give it as a Valentine's gift. Or I was thinking more Easter. I can do like an Easter egg in there, an activity book, something for the kids. I thought that was quite nice to give out, something like that. Or even birthdays and things. Like I said, it's quite versatile, and I just thought that's quite nice to give out. Also, if you do, I do the obviously I have 4 children, so we do Christmas Eve. We have a Christmas Eve box, which is kind of quite a large box, and I put everyone's in there. But if you only had like one child or whatever, you could do their Christmas Eve box in this. Yeah, I just thought that was quite cool. Even teachers' gifts, you could give something out for teachers in these. So yeah, I thought it was a really good price and quite versatile for different things. Doesn't have to be used for Christmas. And then I found this. I thought it was so cute. My husband was like, oh my god, what are you getting? And I couldn't resist it. They did have, I was so tempted to get more than one. But no, I stopped myself and I just got the reindeer one. I think they had a snowman. Oh, and I think a couple of others. I just think they're so cute. So like I said, we do the elf on the shelf. And I just thought one time when he wakes up and he sees him in this, he's gonna love it. It really is. Yeah, so it's a deluxe reindeer outfit for your elf on the shelf. I think this was, I want to have a look on my receipt, guys. This was $2.99. But yeah, I just think it's so cute. So I'm well excited for him to see his elf in there. So got that one. And then the last thing I picked up, which isn't Christmas related, is these gift tags. I thought these were really good. They were only 70p. You get 8 gift tags in each pack. It comes with some twine. And I thought, yeah, they're quite, I mean, you've got a couple that says birthday, but others could be quite versatile. Like that one could be Valentine's as well as that one. Yeah, this one says congratulations, so that could be for anything really. Yeah, so I thought that one. And then I got these ones, again, quite versatile for little gifts and things. To use as little tags, and again that comes with some twine. I thought that's quite good for 70p. They did have a couple of other different designs, but I just like those two, so I just got that. So I'm just going to move this to one side, and then I'm going to quickly run through the products that my little man used with me to make his projects. So the first thing he used was these. These were I picked these up from Hobbycraft in their sale last year. This is Baubles, and I think I did the same for this one. I'm sure this was Hobbycraft. Does it state on the pack? It doesn't. No, but I think again that was Hobbycraft, so it's just gold and silver, same sort of thing. Picked up these from the works, little charms. They look like, you know, like Christmas lights. They're little charms, really cute. So we've used those. We picked up these. We've used some of these bows. These were from, I picked up silver and gold. These were from the range. These are in this year, and they're just like little bows. So we haven't used the silver ones, but we have used some of the gold ones. We've used these ones, which are white baubles. I think this is from Poundland. I want to say this is from Poundland, these ones. This was from Poundland. This is just like that fake snow. So we've used some of that. We've used some of these little fake Christmas trees I picked up last year from the works, and these like little ornaments and things. Again, these I think were from Poundland last year. I had various different ones actually. I think these ones might have been from Hobbycraft, but the rest were from Poundland. So you get Santa, and I think you got 3 in a pack for £1, and I think they're doing them again this year. So yeah, that's really good. So we've used some of those, and then we used some of these stickers again from the range, and I picked up these up this year. It's been so hard to try and find some stickers, like alpha stickers, that are really flat. A lot of them have been quite dimensional, and what I had in my stock was quite dimensional, but I wanted flat ones. So we picked up the gold and the red, and again they were, I think, £1 or 99p, something like that, from the range. And yeah, the next part of this video, guys, is going to be my little man sharing his project with you. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye.
It's my baubles.
Yeah, you're going to share them, what you made?
Yes.
You're going to hold this one?
Yeah.
And what did you put inside that one?
Christmas tree.
A Christmas tree. What else? If we hold it down just here, sweetheart, so they can see. What else? What else did you put in there?
A reindeer.
Yeah. And show the next one?
Yeah. A
Oh.
snowman.
Oh, wow. Hold it like that. Good boy.
It's red.
It is got red, yeah. Got a red scarf on, hasn't it? And we put all these little balls in there, didn't we? In sequins. And then we got some fake snow. Haven't we, in there?
Yeah.
What's this?
Ribbon.
Ribbon. And then put a bow on there, didn't we?
Yeah.
What about that one?
A snowman.
A snowman.
And a bell.
There's a bell. Oh, hold it down now. That's it. Good boy. Look, good.
And a snowflake.
And a snowflake, yeah.
Not a round one.
Yeah.
Though. Not a round one, though.
Yeah. What about this one?
A big Christmas tree.
It has got a big Christmas tree in it, hasn't
And
it?
Santa.
No, what's that in there?
A penguin.
A penguin, good boy.
And
And it's got different coloured little balls in there, isn't it?
then some more.
And some more. Go on then. What's this one?
A Christmas tree with a snowman.
Yeah. What colour's the bell on there?
Green.
Good boy.
And that bell was blue. Green again.
Yeah.
And that bell was red.
Yeah.
And this
What's in that one?
a cat.
What's in there? Not a can.
A white clock.
No, it's a post box.
Post box
Yeah.
and the Christmas tree.
What do you put the letters in?
B for Lippy.
Oh, for Blippy, eh?
And these are balls.
Yeah.
A penguin.
It is a penguin.
And a Christmas tree. And another green.
Yeah.
That's all of them.
And that's all of them so far, isn't it, that we've made?
Yes. Bye. Thank you for watching.
Good boy.